Unboxing the boxes. We present a new twist on the viral unboxing videos we see taking the internet by storm. Vulcan Information Packaging and NAPCO are premier custom packaging manufacturers, producing a wide range of box styles. This unique promotional package features some of our most popular boxes and highlights the broad range of manufacturing solutions we offer, especially our digital embellishment capabilities. So, without further delay, let's unbox the boxes. The main outer box is an e-flute corrugated box featuring a soft film lamination, which provides a soft velvety feel and adds durability in the folds and creases. It has 4-color processed digital printing on 80-pound C1S for the outside and inside. The printed sheets are glued to the e-flute, then die cut. Next is a folding carton with a sleeve. The sleeve is intentionally subtle with simple 4-color processed digital printing. When you remove the sleeve, the same image now has a wow factor added. You can see what a difference digital embellishment makes when added to the same printed image. The digital decoration on this piece includes 3D sculpted varnish with 3D silver foil. Next is a setup box base with lid. The lid features 4-color processed digital printing with 3D raised varnish and 2D flat varnish. Notice we added thumb V-notches for easy opening. This box also features an Apple box-style V-groove construction, which produces clean, sharp corner edges. Now things begin to heat up. We find a pull ribbon to easily remove a hinged magnetic closure box. It features 4-color processed printing that imitates a linen textured material. The wax seal image has 3D sculpted varnish, plus a 2D flat varnish in the ribbon section. We also find a gold foil seal with red foil layered directly on top. Foil-on-foil layering is typically impossible in traditional foil stamping, but we can achieve this with our vivid 3D digital foiling process. As we open the lid, our embellished chameleon image appears. Note the 3D sculpted clear holographic foil that enhances the colors and gives a shimmering effect. The sides of the base also have been embellished with a clear holographic foil to give a beautiful 3D visual effect. We have provided a bottle of hand sanitizer with a custom printed label. The bottle is held securely in place in a custom designed insert which features 4-color processed printing on the inside. NAPCO and Vulcan can produce any of these boxes in any shape or size to meet your specifications. Contact us for your next packaging project. We would love to create something unique and original that will make your next unboxing video an unforgettable experience. Thank you for watching, and please like and share this video.